Still using a semi-automatic PET bottle blowing machine? Upgrading too early can waste money, but upgrading too late can cost even more. So when is the right time to invest in a fully automatic system? Let's break it down. This two-cavity fully automatic machine produces around 3,000 bottles per hour. Many semi-automatic systems typically produce around 800 bottles per hour. But speed isn't the biggest advantage. Watch what happens. Preforms are loaded automatically, heated, transferred, stretched, and blown into finished bottles. The bottles are then discharged continuously without an operator moving them between stations. That means fewer operators, more consistent production, and less handling throughout the process. An automatic machine can also feed bottles directly onto a conveyor and into your filling line, creating a cleaner, continuous production process. With faster production cycles and higher output, the energy used for each bottle can often be lower than on a semi-automatic system. But here's the important part. Fully automatic isn't the right choice for every factory. If your current machine still meets demand, upgrading too soon may not deliver the return you're expecting. The goal isn't maximum automation. It's the right automation at the right time. Every factory is different. Every production line has its own challenges. We'll help you make smarter manufacturing decisions, one video at a time.